when you've been on as many airplanes as I have been, you meet a lot of people. And one of the abilities I've developed over the years is you can always tell a special person. And with Barbara, from the second we started to talk, it became obvious that this was one of those people who was classically miscast. She had tremendous aura, creativity and energy about her, and a wonderful innocence and desire to do better. And I had written a book, I was on a book tour, and Barbara was very interested in that. But what became very clear to me in talking to her is this is a person who had dreams that were far beyond the reality that she was living. And I believed right away that this is a person who could actually fulfill them. So when I left that flight, we had been talking about her career and what she was studying and what her dreams were. I said, follow your dreams, write the book. And then, of course, all these years later, one of the best sellers I pick up in chapters is The Philosopher Queen by Barbara Stegman, and I wasn't at all surprised.